Good morning, children. So today we are going to meet after a long time. Hope you passed your vacation well. Hope you are happy and you must be waiting for class. So I am going to start the poem My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. You can see My Mother at 66 by Kamala Das. Before starting the poem, we must know some important points about the poet. The first important thing about this poet is that she is an Indian poet. She is born in Malabar in Kerala. Not only a poet, she has published several novels and short stories. Besides English, she has written in Malayalam also. Her famous books in English are Alphabet of Lust, Padmavati the Harlot, and other stories. So, this is the nutshell description of Kamala Das. I have some questions to you. You must answer these questions. Describe your mother. You all have to describe your mother. My second question is, how do you feel to see your aging mother, to see your old mother? And question number 3 is, what should you do to help your old parents? So I hope you will answer these questions. Now come to the poem. The poem starts with the line, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Let's first discuss some words which have come in this poem. So beside and besides, they are very much similar to each other, but the meaning is quite different. Beside means alongside, at the side of. He is sitting beside me. She is standing beside me. And besides, it's homophone. Quite different meaning. In addition to, apart from, except, sentence, he gave me a pen besides a pencil. She offered me tea besides coffee. She gave me a notebook besides a book. So these are the words. Now children, see the lines. Driving from my parents' home. Who is driving? The poet is driving. Kamala Das is driving. From where is she driving? She is driving from her parents' home, from her mother's home. And where is she going? Where is her destination? She is going to Cochin. And when has she started her driving? She has started her driving on last Friday morning. I saw my mother beside me. When she was going to airport, in the car, her mother was also going to drop her. Her mother was sitting on the back seat beside her. So once again, the poet was driving to Cochin. The poet had left her parents' home. of all, she was going to airport in her car and her mother was sitting on the back seat. She saw her mother. Now children, let's discuss the poetic device used here. Poetic device. Let's discuss the poetic device. It is also known as literary device, figure of speech. So which poetic device is used here? Children, the poetic device used here in these lines is assonance. First of all, we'll have to know what is assonance. The repetition of similar vowels in the successive words means the repetition of similar vowels just one after another, very close to each other. Now see the lines here. To Cochin last Friday morning. To, O, Cochin, O, morning, O. So which vowel is repeated here? O. So the repetition of similar vowel O is here known as the figure of speech assonance. So if the question comes which figure of speech is used here, you will write assonance. What is assonance? The repetition of same vowel very close to each other. Now some questions are here. Who is I in these lines? Who is I? The poet Kamala Das is I. Where was I driving to? Very easy question. She was driving to Cochin. When was I driving? It is also very easy. She was driving last Friday morning. Hope you have followed the first stanza. Once again, driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. The poet Kamala Das was going to Cochin. To go to Cochin, first she went to airport. Her mother was sitting in the car beside her. She looked at her mother. So, the meaning of these lines are very clear, very simple. So here ends your first stanza. Hope you have followed. You will please give me feedback and the questions which I have given you, you must answer. With this, I am going to end this session and very soon we are going to meet in the next session.